Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing another custom press-on set. The shape and length I'm using today is medium almond. First off, I'm going to start by prepping the nails using some primer, and as you know by now, the primer helps to take the shine off of the nails so that the gel polish can adhere to the nails better. So I'm going to be doing that over all 10 of the nails. I've already had my client sizes before because this is one of my regular clients, so I already had her nail sizes. So we're only doing 10 nails today. With this set in particular, my client had a shoe that she wanted to wear. This is the shoes here. Well, it's a sneakers, right? These Nikes. And she wanted the nails to match the shoes. So I'm using these two colors. I got the blues and charmeuse from iGel Beauty to make it happen. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the design she wanted. Right, this is it here, but she wanted it with the colors of the colors on the shoe. Right, so we're going to start off with, I got the blues, and we're going to apply that to the thumb, the index, and the pinky finger, I believe it was. So something I was going to say, the set, right, is relatively simple. Most of the work is when we have to do the glitter accent nail, because I actually had to mix those glitters, so we will get to that. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Shimeen, and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. You know, I'm trying to build a YouTube channel, so feel free to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more nail videos like this one. Right, so here we are applying. I've got the blues. It is a bit on the thin side, so we had to use a lot of coats in order to get the nails to look opaque. For the nails that we're going to have the color charmeuse, which is a light purple, I decided to put a white base on it so that that light purple could pop. I realized that with the white base you will get to see the colors better. So, well, at least that light purple color, because I mean I tried it without the white base and it wasn't looking amazing. All right, so we're going in with that white base, and I think I did 2 coats of that, and we're putting it to cure. In the meantime, we're just going to be adding some more coats of the color I got the blues. It's so funny that I got the blues was the one to match the sneakers perfectly, although the sneakers was purple, right? If you catch what I'm saying. You understand? But sometimes that's just the way this goes. Alright, so we're just applying some more coats of nail polish here to all of these nails. And once we're done, we're putting that in the UV lamp to cure for about 30 seconds. Applying the second coat of white polish, we put that to cure, and then I think we will apply the light purple color charmeuse, and then we'll do the glitter nail. Right, so this is me applying the light purple. You see how light and pale it is? So that's why I really needed the white one to make it pop a little bit now. Okay, so this is how we're looking right now, and all that's left to do is the glitter nail. I didn't put on the top coat as yet, so we're going to do the glitter accent nail. So for this, I'm using this iridescent glitter that I got off of AliExpress. Some glitters that I had from way back when, probably back in 2000 and whatever year that was, I can't remember, but yeah. And then some chunky glitter, and if you notice, the glitter colors actually match the base color of the nails. So I use the dapping dish to mix the glitters, and the first thing I'm going to do is use some of this iridescent glitter, and I'm using the critical pusher as a scoop to put it in there. And then we're going to take some of the fine glitter and we're going to put some of that in there as well. This one is more of like a royal blue, and we're not putting too much of that. And then we're going to put in this fine blue glitter, which more matches the shoe color. So we're going to put in a little bit more of that. So we're putting 2 scoops of that one. Next, we're going to put the chunky glitter in because we need these nails to shine bright like a diamond. Once we're done with that, we make sure and cover up all the glitter, and I'm just giving it a stir while it's still dry. Yeah, so we just mix this until we're satisfied that it has been mixed properly. And now we're going to get oh yes, I did add some more glitter to it. I didn't want to waste the extra glitter that I had, so yeah, I'm adding some more glitter into it. Mind you, you must not waste glitter. Actually, you must not waste any nail product, because nail products do cost money, And if you're wasting it, then you just waste it, come like you're wasting money, right? So right, now we're getting on the mixing plate, and I'm going to be using some builder gel. Now, this builder gel is from Mia's Secret, and I know you all are accustomed see me use the Emily builder gel. But guess what? I ran out of Emily builder gel, and I did not order any in time, so I have to use this Mia's Secret builder gel. So I'm putting some on the mixing plate just a little bit, and then I'm just going to be adding the glitter in it directly, as you can see here, and then we're just going to stir it. Now you realize it's getting thick, but in order to fix this, I'm going to be adding some base coat gel so we can get a nice consistency. And then afterwards, once we're satisfied with how that is, we're going to put it on the nail. Right, so this is the nail here, the accent nail, and to make it even more dazzling, right, what I'm going to do before I put on the glitter is use this color, this halo gel from iGel Beauty called Unicorn. It's a kind of iridescent glitter, reflective, and not really reflective, but just like a shimmery gel polish. And we're putting that in the UV lamp to cure for about 30 seconds. So we put in about 2 coats on each of the nails. I think I did the second coat off camera. So now that we've done with that, we're going to be adding the glitter mixture like you see here, making sure you cover every inch of that nail. Once you're satisfied with how they look, you put it in the UV lamp to cure for a minute. So now the first one is out, and we're going in with one more layer of that glitter mixture because we really want this to be a nice chunky glitter nail. So these are how they look right after just applying the glitter mixture to it, and they are very, very nice and shiny so far. But what we're going to do now, we're going to apply another layer of builder gel to really encapsulate all of this glitter, because I mean, yes, we use builder gel and base coat, but it's still chunky glitter, so there were some rough spots on the nail, and we're just applying a layer of builder gel over all of this to encapsulate it and make it nice and smooth, because nobody want to touch up bumpy nails, unless of course he was going for the textured finish, but we're not going for that this round. So we apply a layer of builder gel there, and once we're sure that the nail is covered, we're going to put it in the lamp to cure for 1 minute. Now that the nails are out, we're going to file, shape, and buff these nails smooth, and that's basically it for the set. After that, the only thing left to do is to apply the layer of top coat. So we finished filing, shaping, and buffing, and now we're just using an alcohol wipe to take off that excess dust. And these glitter nails are looking so nice. Like, imagine a full set of this. I wouldn't be able to see. We were blind, it's so bright. But yeah, I really like how these turned out. So now let's finish it off with some top coat for that sleek shiny finish. iGel Beauty No Cleanse top coat, cures in 30 seconds, nice and thick, and of course very shiny. You see that? Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. Alright, so we're going to be applying that to those nails, and of course we're going to be applying it to all of the other nails. Alright, so you reached this far in the video. Feel free to subscribe and like the video if you want to see more nail videos like this, or even better, you could drop suggestions as to what you would like to see me do in a nail video. These are how the nails look all together after applying the top coat, and they are so nice and shiny. And as you know, with my custom sets, I lay them out and double check them before I package it up for my client. This is my custom card I made on Canva. We're going to be putting the nails on this custom card. Wait, you had to get like a little, I think it was a little dirt on the double-sided tape there. So all we have to do is just lay it out. Yep, and that will be it for this set. Now, in this particular video, I did not get an outside shot. Why? Because there was no sunlight for the entire week, and it was raining. So the only shot I got of the nails on the outside was once in the vehicle. But yeah, I'm giving it a final cleaning up here so it could look really nice and shiny. See how that looks? Really, really nice. I am so happy with how it turned out, but more important, my client was happy, and that was all that mattered. So yeah, this these are the nails while I was on my way up in the vehicle, and I just tried to get a nice little shot of it there, and you can see the rain was falling in the background. But thank you for watching this video, and just watch to the end and you will see a quick nail fee of my client wearing the nails. Okay, bye.